Aho, you guys there?
Yeah.
Want a few, Mr. Hernandez? We don't have the other jail here yet, or are you not ready quite?
Sure. Let me grab it for you. I'll be right back.
Oh, he didn't sign the complaint. He didn't swear in the complaint. We'll have to continue it, hopefully. Let's see, when did he get booked? At 3:30. I think we're good. All right. Did the victim on Verdugo want me to identify you, or did you want me to do you want to just watch?
If I can watch, that would be fine.
Okay. All right, I won't identify that you're there then. And then officers at Aho, I'm sorry, the deputy here forgot to sign the complaint, didn't swear it in. So we're gonna have to continue this till tomorrow morning. I didn't see it in time to stop you from going to get Mr. Hernandez. But we're gonna have to continue it till the AM until we have a deputy here, a police officer here to sign the complaint.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, I apologize. Thanks. All right. Okay. I can see it all over here. Yeah, if you don't care, I don't care. Yeah, I usually look at the screen anyway for some reason. So. What's your name, sir? Oh, you guys are muted. What's your name, sir?
Tyler Raymond Constini.
All right, Mr. Elsie, you are charged with leaving the scene of an accident, it looks like. And I am going to order you not to have any contact with the victims, not to return to the incident location. And since you're already in custody, I'm going to hold you on a $250 bond on this and appoint Adam Waters to represent you on this misdemeanor. And it'll be set for tomorrow at 1 o'clock for the next court date, the pre-trial.
Okay, quick question if I may. I've been in custody since July 24th. What accident was I involved in?
Good question. Let's see. It is, yeah, I don't know where that came from. Well, a lot of times it looks like there it is. So they came in and cited you while you're in custody, right? It looks like it's from June 10th, maybe 2025. They wrote in the, June 10th. It was damage to fiber optic lines that were hung across Alvernon Way are the allegations.
Oh, shoot. Okay, well, okay, yes.
Don't talk about it, okay? But that's what that's from, okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay, no, I just don't want you to say anything. But yeah, so they finally figured out you were in custody and decided to write you a ticket for it. So that's what that is, but you'll have a separate defense attorney for that, okay?
So it's a traffic ticket?
Yeah, it is actually. It's under the traffic statute. It's like a
It's not under
leaving
criminal?
the scene of an accident kind of thing.
Okay. Yeah, okay. That'll work.
Okay, all right, that's it.
Thank you.
What's your name, sir?
Amy Lee Still.
All right, you are charged with assault, and since you are already in there, I'm gonna hold you on $100 bond and appoint Robin Ald to represent you on this misdemeanor assault charge. And I will set it for tomorrow at 1 PM, but that way you're getting credit on this at the same time, all right?
All right, sounds good.
All right, that's it, sir.
That's fine. That's picture.
What's your name?
Ricardo Joseph Beages.
Beages. All right, you have warrants for shoplifting from June of this year and a shoplifting from May of this year. And got a bond of $500 on each of them. So I'm gonna hold you on a $500 bond and $250 on each, and appoint Janet Altschuler to represent you. And then your court date will be set tomorrow at 1 PM.
Great.
All right, that's it, sir.
I guess we just continued the people.
Okay, so we have the one. That's nice.
I need to receive paper that they be continued.
Okay.
If you guys get the whole group in, well, never mind. Got a ways to go. What's your name?
Brillan Edmonson.
Edmondson? Okay. All right, Ms. Edmondson, you're charged with domestic violence assault, domestic violence disorderly conduct, and disorderly conduct. And I am going to order you not to commit any acts of domestic violence. And oops, hold on a second. And no alcohol or illegal drugs. And you need to come back to court October 1st at 10:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest in justice court. Okay?
Okay. Wait, am I gonna get like information about that, or
Yeah,
I just need to?
they're gonna give you the paperwork, and you need to show up for court or you could get a warrant. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then you're released.
Thank you.
James.
Angel Barcelo.
So let's see. You have a justice court case for shoplifting, 2 counts and a drug paraphernalia and a trespass. So I'm going to order you not to go back to the incident location. And you need to come back to court October 1st at 8:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest, and that's in justice court. And then you have a city court case, a criminal trespass. So I'm going to order you not to return to the incident location, and you need to come back to city court on October 27th at 2:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest.
Okay,
All right, and that's it, sir.
thank you. That's fine.
You guys usually fill in the judges. I never had to fill in the judges. I'm just saying, I think that's what you usually do. Oops, did I miss Mr. Barcelo? No, I just didn't approve him, I think. I didn't. What's your name, sir?
Michael Davenport.
All right, let's see, Mr. Davenport, you have a warrant out of justice court, 1 for resisting arrest, and then 1 for shoplifting, both from 2024. And since I'm going to hold you on your city court cases, I might as well hold you on these. And
Wait.
you can be seen on everything and get credit. So I'm going to hold you on a $250 bond on the resisting arrest charge. Appoint Robin Ald to represent you, and you're set for tomorrow at 1 o'clock on those 2 justice court cases. So
Why would you be, why am I gonna get, why are you holding me?
because of your failure to appear history.
I got people using my name real bad,
That's
like a lot. I don't have any clue where these even charges even came from. I've been in like jail and I just barely got out.
yeah.
Like, I don't know what, like, I don't know how, I got my son, I don't understand why.
So today you were arrested for assault, disorderly conduct, and
I didn't assault nobody today.
and then you have failure to appear.
I didn't assault nobody today, man. I'm serious.
Probation revocation out of mental health court. So on the probation revocation, I am going to hold you on a $500 bond. And oops, is it the 21st? And appoint a public defender to represent you on those. And your next court date will be September 29th at 1:45.
I asked if it's a failure to appear. That's what the guy said.
failures to appear, and a probation revocation on your.
I asked if there was a
domestic
probation holder, so I'm not on probation.
violence. Okay, well, you can talk to your public
Who's
defender.
my
Aye. What's your name?
Byron Lee Lewis?
All right, Mr. Lewis, I got a warrant for you out of your Nell Justice Court. And I am going to release you, and you need to call them for a court date. The court date I have is October 6th at 9 o'clock, but they might have a different one for you since I'm releasing you. So you need to call the court or you get another warrant, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that's it, sir.
All right, thank you.
Back in a second.
Hello, ma'am.
What's your name?
Edgar Martin.
All right, Mr. Martin, you are charged with, let's see, domestic violence, disorderly conduct, criminal trespass, and domestic violence harassment. And let's see. I am going to order you not to have any contact with Margaret Briggs and not to return to her residence.
No.
And no alcohol or illegal drugs, no acts of domestic violence. And I'm going to appoint Anna Dennis to represent you in Green Valley.
Anna Dentist. Thank you.
And hold you on $1,000 bond. And your next court date will be September 25th at 8:30.
Ma'am, may I ask, am I have such a high bond?
Why? Because you're allegedly stalking the victim, and I find that to be dangerous. So you can talk to Ms. Dennis about that. Not a discussion, it's just me deciding, okay? Talk to Ms.
Yes, ma'am.
Dennis.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And when is my court date?
25th.
Okay.
What's your name?
Harry Stabler.
All right, you're charged with driving under the influence, driving with a suspended license, reckless driving, and criminal speeding. And I am going to order you not to drive without a valid license, no alcohol or illegal drugs. And you need to come back to Sorita Municipal Court on October 7th at 8:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand? All right, and you're released with those conditions. What's your name?
Jose Landy.
Okay. Where are you? All right, Mr. Landy, you are charged with domestic violence assault, domestic violence disorderly conduct, 2 counts. And I am going to order you not to consume any alcohol or illegal drugs, not to commit any acts of domestic violence. I'm going to vacate your court date on your other case and put them all together on October 28th at 1:30 in city court. If you don't appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you're released with those conditions. What's your name?
John McGrath.
Charged with domestic violence, assault, domestic violence, disorderly conduct. I am going to order you not to have any contact with Misty Brown and not to return to her residence. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have any guns?
Absolutely not.
So, no guns while the case is pending. And no acts of domestic violence, and you need to come back to court October 28th at 1:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Right. And you're released. What's your name?
Alex Rocha, Alexander.
You are charged with domestic violence, criminal damage, domestic violence, disorderly conduct. I am going to order you not to have any contact with Miss Olvera and not to return to her residence. You understand?
I do understand.
All right, no acts of domestic violence, and you need to come back to court October 28th at 1:30 in city court, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. All right?
Understood.
All right, then you're released.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just if I can.
What's your name?
Romero.
All right, Mr. Romero, you're charged with domestic violence, assault, domestic violence, disorderly conduct. I'm going to order you not to have any contact with Grace Cannon and not to go to her residence, commit no act of domestic violence. And you need to come back to city court October 28th at 1:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand?
I understand.
All right, then you're released.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Christian A. Verdugo.
All right, Mr. Verdugo, you are charged with domestic violence, disorderly conduct, domestic violence harassment, and possession of drug paraphernalia. I am going to order you not to have any contact in any way with Sherry Thomas or Michaela, not to return to her residence. No acts of domestic violence, no alcohol or illegal drugs. And I'm going to hold you on a $2,500 bond and appoint the city public defender to represent you. And your next court date will be October 1st at 1:30. And that is it. So
But is there any way I can be released? I have two jobs and I don't want to lose my job.
you can talk to your public defender about it, sir. Come to court, ma'am, on October 1st. We have advocates to speak to you.
All right, first one. We just have the one felony tonight?
One little felony. Where,
Well, that's incredible.
isn't it exciting? But
It's very exciting.
where is Mr. Anton, you guys? Is he coming or no?
Yes, it's coming. Oh, they got it. They're bringing it up. I'll be back.
Well, you can stay. It's a quick one, but it's up to you. Steps. Is it steps or not for Mr. Brooks, Mr. Dance?
Yes, he's coming right now. That's Brooks or is that? No,
Sorry, Judge, you asked me a question, but you cut out. I didn't hear what you said.
Brooks, you didn't check steps, but I didn't know if it really was.
Oh, that's because I dismissed the new one. So the only one that he's being seen on is going to be the failure to appeal. That step's eligible.
Failure to appear. Do I have?
It's an arraignment warrant, I think.
Okay, I didn't even look that far. Okay, thanks. All right.
Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
Yeah.
Are you Mr. Anton?
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right. Let's see, you have a shoplift, refusal to give your true name, and resisting arrest from September 13th, and then from today, you have a theft and a criminal trespass and a disorderly conduct. So I'm going to hold you on a $250 bond, order you not to have any contact with the victims, not to return to the incident location. I'm going to appoint the city public defender to represent you, no alcohol or illegal drugs. And I'm going to hold, did I say I'm going to hold you on a $250 bond, and your next court date will be September 30th at 1:45. And that's it. Is it 9? Is the arraignment 9/28 or 9/29? You had one on the 9/29.
No, it's not. Yeah, the last one.
All right, what's your name, sir?
All right, and tell your name.
Michael Brooks.
Okay, Mr. Brooks, the state's dismissing the charges you were arrested on for today. So what I have is a warrant out of Superior Court for your failure to appear for your initial appearance date from a July 27th charges.
Okay.
I'm going to release you to pretrial services and appoint the public defender. So you need to report to them, both of them, tomorrow. No alcohol or illegal drugs, and you need to come to your arraignment September 29th at 1:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest and probably no one will release you again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you all. That was another.
This is your arraignment date, and then that's where you'll go. All right.
All right.
So they dismissed this old charge and brought it back. Probably didn't know they brought it back.
Yeah, it's just